Girls just want to have fun.
But she's not one of them.
I just went off the stage, and the guy said to me, "Boy, you really did great." I'm like, "You don't understand. A bird just pooped on my lip. It was disgusting. I need something to wash my mouth. Give me some Clorox."
In the end, Cindy didn't hold a grudge. She kept right on singing and finished the set.
I love all God's creatures, so I still love birds. I think birds are great. I don't want to sing under them. But, whistling on the side, that ain't bad.
That's free money. Wow. Wouldn't you want to get free money?
Before his untimely 2004 passing, Wu-Tang Clan's Old Dirty Bastard was famous for bizarro stunts.
You love dirty as dirt dog.
Up to and including